Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project called area of the square. So all we have to do is just find the area of the square. So first of all we'd like to create a function. So we all know that we start a function using def area underscore. It's the name of our function. Square, open up brackets, right here side, because you'll see why. And then we write area equals side multiply side. Yes, and all we have to do is print area. And but we also have to call our function. So we write area. Let's just copy it. Open up brackets, and which number we write here, it will print the area of that. For example, it's one of the parts of the square, so okay, it will be 100 because we have to multiply 10 by itself. For example, 6. So okay guys, this was all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.